Hi everyone! Today I'll be teaching you how to crochet a beautiful case for a book or Kindle as you prefer. I'll be using crochet hook 5mm and polyester macrame yarn. I'll need scissors and yarn needle to sew the button and a button. I'll make a slip knot, then chain 16. I'll skip the first chain. I'll begin the case by making 2 single crochets into the second chain from hook. 1 and 2. Then I'll work 13 single crochets. In the last chain, I will work 3 single crochets. I'll hide this yarn end. So I have 13 single crochets and 3 single crochets into the last stitch. And now I'll make the last single crochet into the first stitch, then I'll join, but for joining I'll turn, then insert the hook into the first stitch, take this last stitch and pull through, chain 1, and next round. So make 1 single crochet into the first stitch, yarn over, make 1 half double crochet into the same stitch, yarn over, then make 1 double crochet into the same place. This step I'll repeat in every third stitch. Skip 2 single crochets, then make single crochet into the third, yarn over, make half double crochet, yarn over, then make 1 double crochet. Skip 2 stitches and make single crochet, yarn over, make half double crochet, yarn over and make double crochet. And continue by repeating this step until the end of round 2. skip the last 2 stitches, turn and repeat the joining from the previous round. Round 2 is completed. So make 1 single crochet in the first stitch, yarn over, then 1 half double crochet into the same stitch, yarn over, and 1 double crochet into the same stitch. And move on the next 3 double crochets by making single crochet in the first of the 3 double crochets, yarn over, half double crochet into the same stitch, yarn over, and double crochet. And repeat until the end of round 3. 1 single crochet, yarn over, 1 half double crochet, yarn over, and 1 double crochet. Repeat the same joining. Make chain 1. And next round, 1 single crochet in the first stitch, yarn over, 1 half double crochet into the same place, and 1 double crochet. Then next stitch, 1 single crochet, yarn over, 1 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet. And then join to the first stitch, and then continue by repeating the last round 12 more times. I completed 14 rounds. This is the middle stitch of the back side. I continue with the last round. I'll remove the stitch marker. One single crochet into this middle stitch, 12 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. I will make slip stitch into this stitch. Yarn over, then make half double crochet, yarn over and double crochet. And continue to repeat single crochet, half double crochet, then double crochet, then how to finish. Join to the first stitch and cut the yarn. I'll sew the button. So our new case is ready. This is the back side. This is invisible joining. Thanks so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to have more crochet tutorials. I'll publish a video in English every week, as well in French. Have a wonderful weekend and see you very soon.